First step to installing your locking hubs is to unbox them, verify kit contents. I recommend starting by pre-lubing your components, especially the O-ring between the dial and the body. This will prevent O-rings sticking in there, causing it to be hard to turn. Also apply thin coat of grease to all remaining components, drivers, driven discs. Excessive coat of grease will cause the hubs to be hard to engage, so a thin coat of grease is all that is recommended. Start by installing the spacer onto the axle shaft, followed by the spring retainer if used in your kit, and the spring. Assemble your driver and coupler together, install into the hub. Compress it and install your snap ring. Check to make sure that it floats properly and does not bind. You will then take your cam spacer and your retaining ring and install those into the hub, followed by the retaining ring lock ring. This is a spiral lock, it just twists into place. Check for proper motion by pushing on the two tabs on the cam spacer. Install a dial into the body, make sure that it twists properly and freely. Align the arrow with the lock on the body. Install the body and dial up into the hub. Tighten your 6 bolts in a crisscross fashion. Do not over torque. Torque spec is only 22 inch-pounds. Over torquing will bind the body. Final step is to check for function, make sure it turns freely, lock the hub, make sure it engages and disengages. Thank you for watching Yukon Tech Tips. Please like and subscribe on social media.